Kahit sa math, meron pa rin subject-verb agreement. 4 times 5, blank, 20. Equals or equal. Natatandaan nyo kapag mga arithmetical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, laging singular agreement yung ginagamit natin. Bakit? Kasi yung mga operations na ganito, they are perceived as reflecting a single numerical entity on both sides of the equation. Ibig sabihin, itong 4 times 5, isang numerical entity lang yan. At kahit gaano kalaki pa yung number na ilagay mo dyan, isang numerical entity pa rin ang nire-represent niyan dito sa side na to ng equation. Pati itong 20, isang numerical entity lang din yan. Pwede mong sabihin 4 times 5 equals 20, o kaya naman 4 times 5 is 20, or 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Basta laging ang subject-verb agreement niya, singular.